Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, verify the device is online and you know the Apple ID email. Once done, check for a trusted device or phone number tied to the account because Apple uses those to verify you. If you can, open Settings and tap your name or go to iForget. Apple, calm on a browser. This starts the recovery flow and triggers verification options. Make sure you have access to the listed phone or email before continuing, otherwise choose Account Recovery. Once you request verification, pick the method you can access: trusted device, trusted number, or recovery email. When the code arrives, type it exactly. This confirms your identity and unlocks the reset option. Next, choose Reset Password, enter a new strong password you haven't used before, and follow prompts to sign back into iCloud on all devices. Make sure to update recovery contacts and enable two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts, because proactive steps reduce risk. After resetting, sign into Mail, App Store, and iCloud to sync everything. Update saved passwords in your keychain. If verification codes never arrive, initiate account recovery. This may take hours to days. Apple gives an estimated wait time, so be patient. If recovery stalls or you lack proof of identity, contact Apple support directly and be ready to provide purchase receipts or photo ID. That step helps them confirm ownership, because only Apple can.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.